Hello and welcome! Today's video is about MVP development for startups. MVP stands for Minimum Viable Product, and it is an essential tool for startups to showcase their core functions to early users, gain user backing and investments. We will describe the types of MVPs for startups, explain their value, break down the stages of MVP development, and offer more advice for effective development. If you are a startup founder or entrepreneur or interested in software development, this video is for you. Follow the link below the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. For startups, their MVP is crucial as it showcases the skills of their founding team and delivers core functions to early users. This is where user backing and investments are at stake. So, what exactly is an MVP? It's about 20% of the product's functions that cover 80% of users' needs, based on the Pareto principle. However, there are different types of MVPs such as low fidelity and high fidelity. Low fidelity MVPs are meant to test the waters and gather information from ad reactions, surveys, or even create an impression that actual software exists while it doesn't. On the other hand, high fidelity MVPs involve building a basic user interface, even if the backend isn't ready yet. The value of MVP development for startups is immense, as it improves their chances for success while minimizing cost and time. Faster speed to market is critical in the early stages of development, as it lets users know about a product and builds anticipation. Both low-fidelity and high-fidelity MVPs are cost-effective, and there is a possibility to earn early user subscriptions, investments, and partnership. Demonstrating a high-fidelity MVP that has shown solid market performance can be a significant value add while seeking investor support. Here are some examples of ways different businesses can use MVPs. Food delivery. A food delivery startup could create a low-fidelity MVP in the form of a simple landing page with a description of their service and an email sign-up form to gauge user interest. They can use the email addresses collected to validate their idea and launch high-fidelity MVP, which could be in the form of a basic mobile app that allows users to order food from local restaurants. Fitness. A fitness app startup could create and implement a high-fidelity MVP that includes a basic user interface and a few core features such as workout testing, meal planning, and progress tracking. They could launch the MVP to a smaller group of beta testers, perhaps by visiting local gyms and other fitness clubs, and use their feedback to improve the app before launching it to a wider audience through the App Store with advertisements across social media. E-commerce. An e-commerce startup could look to create and implement a low-fidelity MVP in the form of a simple landing page with a product description and Buy Now button. When users click the button, they are taken to a page that explains the product was not yet available, but ask them to sign up for updates. The startup can use the email addresses collected to validate demand and refine their product before launching a full e-commerce site. Education. An e-tech startup can create and implement a high-fidelity MVP that includes a basic user interface and a few core features such as lesson plans, quizzes, and progress tracking. They could launch their MVP to a small group of beta testers, which could include teachers and students, and use their feedback to improve the app before launching it to more people across nationwide education networks, if the product was successful and well received. Healthcare. A healthcare startup could create and implement a low-fidelity MVP in the form of a simple landing page with a description of their service and an email sign-up form. They can use the email addresses collected to validate demand for their telemedicine service, which allows patients to consult with doctors remotely. They later launch a high-fidelity MVP that includes a mobile app with video conferencing and prescription management features. The stages of building an MVP in a startup correspond to the roles involved in development. The idea comes from the founder, followed by market research to ensure that the idea is viable. Next, UI/UX design and architecture design are crucial to determine specific tools, functional elements, and the app's appearance. The actual development follows the defined structure and task backlog, with quality assurance testing every incremental upgrade. Skipping any development stage can lead to disastrous results, so follow the steps as they are. Understanding regulation policies is crucial to avoid any legal issues that could harm your business. Thinking about the future team is equally important, as the nature of a product might require more specialists than those currently involved in development. Outsourcing can be a viable option for startups with remote teams offering ultimate flexibility and reasonable rates. Voipost is an excellent option that assembles dedicated development teams, assigns single remote developers, or handles end-to-end project development. The high skill of Ukrainian developers, technical experience, and English language mastery make them stand out in the global market. Ukraine also has a strong IT education system, with many universities and technical schools offering programs in computer science or related fields. As a result, Ukrainian developers have a solid foundation of technical knowledge and are able to adapt to new technologies quickly. Voipost's crack team of Ukrainian developers is ready and waiting to help you to take your business to the next level with MVPs. Software development is no longer exclusive to large tech companies. Every niche can embrace digital transformation to access broader audience and scale their businesses. To make MVP development faster and cheaper, follow each development stage step by step. Understand regulation policies, consider the future team, and ask for proof of concept. Outsourcing to remote teams, particularly in Ukraine, is a cost-effective option to build dedicated development teams or handle end-to-end project development. Sign up to our YouTube channel for more game-changing content. See ya!